How to save a Canva project to your computer. If you want to save or download your Canva project to your computer, this video will show you how to do it. First, open your Canva project and make sure you've finished editing your design. Next, click Share in the top right corner. From the menu, select Download. Now, click on File Type and choose the format you want to save your project in. For example, if you want to save it as a PDF, select PDF and choose any additional options available for that format. Once everything is ready, click Download. Canva will process your design and download the file to your computer. You can then open your Downloads folder to find the saved file. That's how you can save a Canva project to your computer. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.